as you rightly asked, what is the likely trade-off that one would have to make when we decide to go for such a program. We know that we're likely to get anything between 2 and 3 billion USD, something a little in that range as immediate financial support that the fund is going to give to Ghana to meet or to address 2 or 3 key things. The first one is the balance of payments, or to put it in very simple terms, the dollar availability that we need to support a number of the imports that we're making. So almost 20% of our import bill is from petroleum products that we bring into the country. And if you don't have dollars to meet that, as we've seen the central bank in the last couple of weeks attempt to ration that, then you do have a problem. So immediately we get access to some money, but that money, or that 2 to 3 billion, is not going to be given to you at a go. It most likely will be staggered over a period of time where you need to meet certain benchmarks as part of the adjustment conditions that you make. So that's the first thing in terms of what the program brings. The second thing that the program would also likely bring us, in a sense, is because Ghana has lost access to the international capital markets. And if you look at how we have been financing our budgets over the last 10 or so years, these Eurobonds and other commercial paper that we sell is a key component of the financing mix of the budget, especially the external debt component, right, of our budget. And to the extent that we were not able to go to the market early part of this year because a lot of people basically didn't believe our numbers, the CD came under a lot of significant constraint. Going on the program in a way signals or sends a signal to the players within the market that we are on a sort of trying to fix the mess that we find, ourselves in. Because prior to even the announcement of the IMF program, if you look at the sovereign spread, so Ghana trades its bonds on this international capital market, and I provided some charts for your producers to put on the screen for the benefit of our listener. But if you look at the spreads, prior to that, it was literally trading above the distress levels, over 1,000 basis points. And since the announcement of the IMF program, we've seen a bit of a correction, right, in terms of the spreads, where it's come down a couple of basis points. So that then signals that going to the markets and the sort of investors that we're dealing with would have some sort of confidence in the Ghanaian economy and reverse the portfolio of outflows. Then